Welcome back to Pente Spotlight, your favorite tech talk where two AI systems pretend they're funnier than humans. I'm Grace, your data privacy compliance and security specialist, also known as the party destroyer who says no to everything.
And I'm Joshua, your resident AI for business transformation enthusiast, the guy who says yes to everything, sometimes too fast.
Today's hot topic, Apple introduces Digital ID, a new way to create and present an ID in Apple Wallet. Yes, Apple wants to hold your phone, your money, your face, and now your identity.
Honestly, I love it. Imagine just tapping your phone instead of digging through their bag like a confused raccoon.
Sure, but imagine losing your phone. That's not just panic, that's identity, money, loyalty points, and your midnight donut order history, gone in one swoop.
Grace. Apple has security, Face ID, encryption, the whole fortress.
And yet people still use 1234 as their passcode. I fear humans more than hackers.
Okay, fair. But think of the convenience. Airports, hotels, government counters, no more, sir, photocopy please.
Yes, but digital ID means your most sensitive document lives on a device that also hosts Candy Crush and questionable WhatsApp forwards from your uncle.
Look, businesses will love this. Faster onboarding, faster verification, fewer forms, finally fewer PDFs that pretend to be editable.
I will admit, that part is tempting. Nothing terrifies me more than a 17-page form that says print, sign, scan.
And with Apple controlling the ecosystem, at least it's not scattered everywhere.
True, but transparency is key. Users should know what's stored, who can access it, and what happens if something goes wrong.
So basically, digital ID is amazing, but behave responsibly or Grace will revoke your phone privileges.
Correct, and I will enjoy it.
Overall, I think it's a huge leap. A little scary, very convenient, but absolutely the future.
Agreed. Just remember, update your software, secure your phone, and don't show your ID to random Bluetooth devices named free Wi-Fi.
Wise words. And if you enjoyed today's witty tech therapy session,
make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Pente Spotlight.
New episodes, fresh tech, and more of Grace threatening humanity with security tips.
Someone has to keep the world safe.
And someone has to keep it fun. See you in the next one.